Hi everyone, this is John Chapaniak with SkipperBuds out of our Grand Haven location. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this 1992 Sea Ray 270 Sundancer. It's very clean and has been well kept for her vintage. New glass was just put on the camper canvas last year. Well, your controls at the helm, you do have a Garmin. Your V-berth there in the front, the galley off to the port side. This 1992 Sea Ray 270 Sundancer is located at our Grand Haven store. For more information or to schedule an appointment, please give us a call at 616-997-2628. Again, 616-997-2628 for this 1992 Sea Ray 270 Sundancer.